Good morning, MMM. My name is Rianel B. Abelia, one of the active participants of MMM community from Western Samar. So I'm making this video again to show that I'm very thankful and glad to be a part of this community, wherein I can help others and I get help from them. Alright, so last November 25, I provided help in the amount of 18,000 under MMM Mining Premium. Then, last December 1, I got help in the amount of 20,500. Then, there were participants assigned to my GH. Okay, so in the amount of 20,500 that I got help last December 1, the participants assigned were Nikki Domingo in the amount of 11,100, Nanus Andrew in the amount of 2,500, Claire in the amount of 6,900. So a total of 20,500. So thank you very much, MMM, for this great opportunity, to all the participants assigned, to all the members of this community, and especially to Sir Sergi Mavrodi. Thank you very much.